Hello watch fans, just a very quick unboxing of a watch that I received as a gift for my birthday today by my lovely wife. Really thank her for this. A bit of a quick story. She cheekily actually went onto my phone to search for watches that I have in my carts that I've never bought before, and that's how she knew that I really wanted this watch. So seriously appreciate that thought. Okay, quick one here. As of course you can see, this comes in a typical Seiko box, and those who might be aware will already know that this is a Seiko 5. There you go. Some of you might already know about this watch. It is the SNXS79. It's probably one of the best known Seiko 5 watches out there. It's an absolutely beautiful watch that I've had in my cart for I think close to a year plus. The only reason I have not gotten this watch is purely because I already have two Seiko 5s that are already really good, which is the SNKL23 as well as the SNKD97, both of which I wear quite often, and I just couldn't pull the trigger on this because of how similar they are, but which makes this gift even better, I think. You know, getting a gift that you yourself are not willing to pull the trigger on. So this is just awesome. It's a beautiful watch. It's lovely. It does have the Rolex Oyster Perpetual DNA in it, but of course with the very bright, bold Seiko 5 logo. There's quite a ton of reviews on this watch, but I'll still be reviewing it and probably giving you guys a lot of close-up shots. Oh, the back sticker just came off. Let's see, can get this off. Yep, of course the Seiko 5 line does not have the best reputation in terms of having good bracelets, but to be honest, personally I find them quite okay. Let me get this tag off quickly. It's okay, having a little bit of difficulty with the tag, but here again, it's basically it runs the 7S26 movement, which is non-hacking and non-hand winding, but it's a classic workhorse from Seiko. It has a display case back, which is a nice little bonus. I was talking about the bracelet earlier, that it's a bit rattly and jangly, but I really don't mind because I don't have hairy arms, and it's actually very comfortable on wrists, as well as I don't think, or I've not actually heard of any how to say, cases in which the bracelet has failed. So I think that's the most important part. You want to make sure that your bracelet actually is working and is solid. So it does have hollow anglings, of course, but again, all this is the charm of the Seiko 5 line, and it's really comfortable. So just a quick unboxing here. I also realized that actually it doesn't come with a front screen protector, but the glass seems flawless, so that's still okay. Again, an absolutely beautiful watch. Really looking forward to wearing and review it. Thanks guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.